Manual testing has become a really important and powerful aspect of Visual Studio 2010. We're inside the Microsoft Test Manager, which is an independent, lightweight testing client. It's available in the Visual Studio 2010 Ultimate Edition, as well as the Visual Studio 2010 Test Professional Edition. What we'll do here is we'll start a manual test case. That puts us into the test runner. And we'll work our way through each of these manual test steps. Now, as we're working our way through, if we want to capture some information, we can just capture a screenshot. And this gets attached to our test run, really useful for describing anything that we might be seeing in a given test. Now, as we run through this manual test case, there is an action recording that's being built for us. So it records all the actions that we're doing. This becomes really handy if we're not particularly familiar with the scenario, the steps, we can automatically play back those steps. Or if we're just trying to jump ahead in our manual test case. If there were 10 steps that we have to do to get to the 11th and 12th steps where we need to verify a bug, that action script becomes very important. So we can have a look at that. You can see that my next step, we're going to go to the account logon page. Now I can do that manually if I want to, but I can also just play that step and notice that it drives the user interface and navigates me to that next page. So we can certainly pass all of this. Now the manual test cases are linked with bug creation. So if we wanted to, if we saw a problem here, we could create ourselves a bug, and just like any test case, it attaches a tremendous amount of information to that bug automatically. So any system snapshots, system information, links to this bug to the test case that we happen to use, and captures a complete snapshot of our system for whoever investigates this particular bug. So manual testing never been so powerful as it is in Visual Studio 2010. Thank you.